Feeling puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. Out of box decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours. All be yours.
This is Style It My Way. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Design with Emma. Our co-hosts are Pure Elegance by Kim, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Maid's Design, Corner, Debbie Bubble, B and Mel B, and Decorate with Jezza Green. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Style It My Way. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna restyle my office here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you a look at it before we start to restyle, and then we'll come back and start styling it over and see what we come up with. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna remove all the pillows and throws. All the pink is going out. The curtains are getting changed. All of the wall art will be coming down. And we're gonna restyle it using neutrals. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now I'm finished and I'm gonna take you in for the reveal. I'll let you take a look, then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. If you remember, the desk was over here, and I've taken the desk and put it in the center. I placed my love seat here and the two end tables. I just wanted to switch the furniture around a little, so that's what I've done. I also changed the artwork, and I shopped my home. I did not go out and purchase anything for this refresh. The tables here, they were actually étagère. I broke them down into 4 and made it end tables. you can go back and check out my foyer from a year ago, and you will see this etagere. And I decided, instead of getting rid of it, I would make it in tables. So I put one on each side of my love seat. My print here was from Burlington's. And again, it was one I already had. Over here on this wall, I've just added my Hermes print. It was from Ross's, and the Chanel is here on the other side, also from Ross's. My coffee table, I decided to make it actually a standing shelf, and what I've done, I've just added a basket, a flower arrangement, and my book with the candle. On the bottom of it, I can also add files if I want to put them there, so it has a lot of room for storage. Over here in the corner is my storage cabinet. And it was against the wall with the desk, but I have separated it. And if you look at the before, you can see it was all put together. And what I've done, I went in and separated it. Now, above my desk, you all seen this map that I purchased from Goodwill. I put it above my desk with the 2 starbursts, and you got this, and today is a new day. Those were from Ross's. The floor length mirror here was from Ross's, and I've just added the statue, and one I laid against the mirror to make it look like it's actually attached, but it's not. Over on this side, I've taken the cabinet and put my little sewing machine on it. I wanted to bring it here in the office, so when I just want to whip up a hem or sew stitch something, I'll have it here. The clock was from Ross's. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more for inviting me to host with her on Style It My Way. You all make sure you go over and check out her channel. Got all of the co-hosts who are participating today in Style It My Way. I also want to thank the design family, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family, because we would love to have you. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this office makeover, how I've changed around the furniture and changed up the colors here a little bit. So leave me a comment, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. And as I said before, everything I used what I already had. I did not purchase anything to do this makeover. This is Emma, And I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.